Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2023 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a time when you lost your way. You should say when and where did it happen? How did you feel when you were lost? And how did you find your way out? So as you all can see, there are 3 questions attached to this cue card and we need to ensure that all of these 3 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are speaking. Also, if you notice carefully, the first question actually has 2 parts already in it, which is when and where did it happen. So we need to answer both these questions as well. So before we jump on to the answer that I have created for you people, let's brainstorm few ideas. So this might have happened few times, right? When you are trying to reach a new destination or a new place, you might have lost your way, or sometimes even Google Maps show you the wrong direction, right? If you are in a remote place or if you are in a place where there is no connectivity, like no internet connection, that time when Google Maps are not working, you might land up in a place that is actually not your destination. So you can speak about any of those times. Alright, so now let's look at a sample answer that I have created. Some people have a good sense of direction while others are not adept in navigating, and I belong to the former category. But today, I would like to talk about a time when I deviated from the correct path. So as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given a little bit of an introduction to the examiner and also clearly communicating what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to talk about. Also, for those of you who do not know what adept means, it means to be good at something, to be skilled at something. So instead of using the word good, which is so common, we used a very good vocabulary word, which will later on increase our band scores for the lexical resources part. So, alright, let's continue. Moreover, me and my friends decided to go on a hiking trip last year after the completion of my final exams in a picturesque and serene place named Bhimtal, which is located in the state of Uttarakhand. Besides that, neither me nor my friends had been on this track before, and it was quite an adventurous and exciting journey for all of us. So, as you all can see, we answered the first question, which was when and where did it happen. We used some very good adjectives and vocabulary words, which you can also add to your list. So, you can make a note of it, and next time while you are speaking, you can use it. So, picturesque simply means beautiful. Serene means something that is peaceful or calm. Alright, so let's continue. Furthermore, the trekking route was surrounded by dense forests of oak and pine and provided us the opportunity to explore the lush green landscape of the surrounding areas. However, we did not reach our destination as expected after 5 kilometers of long walk and were really worried and tensed. So as you all can see, instead of repeating the word way again and again, right, we are using different ways of communicating the same meaning. We are using synonyms like path, route, and all of these will increase our band scores for a lexical resources part. Also, we are using a lot of connectors here like moreover, furthermore, additionally, and all these will also increase our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part. Alright, so let's continue. Additionally, there was poor internet connectivity, which further added to our woes and anxiety as we were unable to use Google Maps. So, as you all can see, we have given a very good elaboration for the second question, which was how did you feel when you were lost? So, we actually mentioned how we got lost, and we also used some adjectives like worried, tensed, or added to our woes. Woes simply means troubles, and anxiety means that you are nervous about something. So you can add all of these words to your vocabulary list and make sure you use them in your conversation while practicing. Alright, so the last part of the question still remains, which is how did you find your way out? So let's answer that. Finally, we were fortunate enough to find a local kid on the otherwise deserted path who assisted us in reaching the final spot and also accompanied us on our way back, and we all took a sigh of relief. So deserted path means where there are less people or a less populated area. So as you all can see, we made sure that we were speaking quite fluently all throughout. We did not take any kind of pauses in between. We avoided any kind of repetition of words, and we also made sure that we are speaking each word correctly. That means we are not trying hard to pronounce or speak clearly any kind of word. So all these will enhance our band scores for the fluency and pronunciation part as well. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.